Hey guys, I am getting ready kasi I have a shoot today. I have a shoot today at Poly East, pero before that, I need to go to my derma to buy my face medicine. And then right after that, I need to pick up some jackets at my cousin's condo sa Katipunan. And then diretso na ako sa Poly East. So, magla-light makeup lang ako para pagdating ko doon ka na lang And actually, ayoko rin naman mag-makeup ng malala for this shoot. I'm trying to do less makeup. I'm trying to do less makeup kasi wala lang. Sana hindi ganun ka-traffic para smooth lang yung biyahe. So, kanina guys, I woke up at a very decent time naman. Kahit na late na ako nakasleep. Sabi ng watch ko parang 4 hours lang daw yung sleep ko. Pero okay lang naman kasi feeling ko I'm well rested kasi medyo ang dami kong nap kahapon. Guys, sobrang sakit talaga ng katawan ko. If you guys saw the vlog before this, yung naglaon yun kami, yung last day namin bago kami umuwi ng Manila. Pumunta kaming Deca Wake Park. Tapos nag-wakeboard kami. So, apart dun sa long drive, syempre, tapos mga paglalakad, di ba sa La Union, pumunta pa kami sa fall. Sobrang bugbog yung katawan. Tapos nag-Deca pa kami. Di extra bugbog yung katawan. To the point na sobrang sakit ng katawan ko kahapon. Gusto ko na lang umiyak. Nasa verge ako ng magbubuk ba ako ng massage or hayaan ko na lang kasi meron akong aquathlon competition next Sunday. The Sunday after this coming Sunday. And given that, magte-training ako. Like, tatakbo ako, magsiswimming ako as much as I can every day. Naisip ko na parang if magpapamasahe ako, parang baliwala lang kasi the next day tatakbo ulit ako. Swimming ulit ako, diba? Parang sasakit lang din ulit. So, yun. Napigilan ko naman yung sarili ko. Tapos, nag-swimming kami kahapon ni Eunice. Kasi hindi pa rin kami nadadala. Swimming kami kahapon, pero 1 kilometers lang. Tapos, medyo nawala yung sakit ng katawan ko. Which is a good thing na hindi rin ako nagpamasahe. Kasi, kailangan, if di ba masakit yung katawan nyo, kailangan nyo lang talaga siya igalaw. So, ayun. That's the happenings. Pero guys, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. But yeah, I woke up early. Tapos, nag-ayos ako ng mga files ko. Which finally, after a year, nagawa ko na siya. Apart doon, nag-reheat ako ng breakfast. I had what Eunice and I had last night. Nagluto kasi ako ng corned beef kagabi. After swimming, yun yung aming post-workout. Corned beef fries and coffee. Yun ang aking breakfast kanina. Alam niyo, meron talagang nasa mata ko eh. Tapos, medyo naglinis na din ako ng condo kasi baka umuwi na ako tomorrow. Ayun, so, light makeup lang and then let's go. Kinakabahan din kasi ako guys. Galing akong La Union, so medyo umitim ako. So, hindi ko alam kung anong foundation ang pasok sa aking skin. And also, kaya tinatamad na rin ako mag-makeup. Bahala na. Pero, basta, lashes, eyebrows, and cheeks yun. Okay na ako dun. Guys, hindi ako ma-lipstick. Wala lang, share ko lang. Ewan ko ba, pero feeling ko kasi hindi siya bagay sa akin or hindi ko lang talaga nahanap yung shade na for me. If there are a few lipsticks na ginagamit ko, especially pag may events ako, pero, hindi ko siya gusto on a daily na gamitin. If that makes sense. Pero kasi, gusto ko na meron din. Kasi minsan, pag halimbawa ganito yung makeup ko, ang putla naman ng labi ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin ko. Anyway, sabi nga, that's a problem for later. And masasolve ko naman. Hindi naman urgent. I don't need to stress myself about it. But like, if you have lipsticks or like lip tint recommendation, type it down below. Help a friend, please. Nababagay sa akin. This is the look. I'll just let my hair air dry. Kasi tinatamad na ako. Yeah. Let's go! We're gonna go to the derma first. Then, to my cousin's condo. And then, shoot. My shoot's at 2 p.m. It's 12 noon. Let's see. Let's see. I hope I make it on time. Hey!
Siya nagba-vlog.
Para may content pa.
Ba't parang wala pa nakikita ang vlog mo?
Kasi hanggang dun pa lang. Next na yung LU kaso ang hirap, ang dami kong i-edit.
Oh.
Yun. Tapos, alam mo ba? Patayin ko na nga. Alam mo ba sa ano? Okay na kaya ako dito. Ay, diba? Hey, I can't see I'm blind. I can't see I'm blind.
Shit!
Hi.
Hindi ko si Gloria.
Yes. Hi. Sorry, I can't see. Gloria. Hello.
Social media.
Hey! Siya ba sa ano? Filtered?
Siya yung kasama niya sa yung hometown. Saan?
Ay! Pak! Sino ka dyan? Para magkakajawa na yan this year. Aray ko na. Yung tao kasi nito. Face the wall.
Face the wall. Kiss the wall.
Sobrang Uy! She hesitated. She hesitated. That's like
Si
this.
Gloria na magpapakain. Magpapakain.
Papakain ako.
Ayun yan. Sandal ka dyan. Yan. Sandali. Sandal sa malayo.
Nakagana siya. Oh my God!
Ayaw siya. Magpapakain na naman siya.
Open natin din. Pag naka... Ano sabi niya? Alam mo, bilis natin sa ano na talaga.
Hindi natin yung pinila ng jowa mo. Ganun na lang.
Pumunta ako na
Kaya na natin sa lalaki. Wala na niya ako parang magpapakain talaga siya. Kapag nilagay kayo yung kamay.
Grabe pang FHM.
FHM na lesbian porn. Parang masyadong galit. Tama ba yung facial expression?
Sobrang ganda.
Sobrang ganda mo nga dun.
Wait, try ko lang ng medyo soft na parang...
Ngayon, kapaka-girl na. Oh, Carso Balayo. One gay and one lesbian.
Pero okay, parang hindi ba naging usapan?
Parang wala na tayo magawa. Sinasabi niya.
Kasi eto, dito siya nagahang. Sorry, what's your name again?
Mitzi.
Mixie?
Mitzi.
Mitzi. Hi, Mitzi. Friend ni Suyan. Hi, Rain. Hi, Rain. Rain the Queen. Queen. Rain. Guys, single to.
Oo, Ben. Saan na kayo? Tama na ba yung single? Ang sabi lang kay Gloria.
Pila lang, guys. Pila lang.
Kuha ka ng close-up na nakakayakap siya sa leg niya. Because she loves her leg.
3, 2...
Ay, sorry na. I close my eyes.
Close my eyes.
3, 2...
Parang FHM naman nun.
Try mo lang.
3, 2...
She isn't? Really? Bakit? Chika mo yarn.
I can't. There's a camera.
Rock, cut.
Ay, ganda na.
Ooh, ganda naman nun.
Ganda.
Oh, face card.
Parang siyang
Huwag natin
si
papakita sa
Mary.
kanya. Oh my God! Si girlfriend ni Chase Crawford.
Pero mas gusto ko si Chuck Bass. Ay, sobrang Latin niya.
Yan! Parang
Uy, ang ganda. Hindi ba pa weird yung arms?
Okay.
Okay na. Thank you, guys!
I'm okay. Are you okay?
I'm okay. God bless you.
Hindi. Cut ko na to.
Whoa, what is this color? Hey guys! I look so tired, but Nakauwi ako ng mga bandang 8 PM kanina. Tapos, naghilamos lang ako. And I cooked dinner. And I had dinner. And I was talking to my sister the whole time. So, that's like an hour and a half while I was eating. And then, after nun, nagugas ako ng pinggan. Nag-wash ako. Pagka-wash ko, nag-book na ako ng massage kasi guys, di ko na kaya. Ang sakit ng katawan ko. I feel so tired. Kanina parang fino-force ko na lang yung sarili ko kumain. Kasi alam mo yung parang hindi ko alam kung anong unahin ko. Kung magpahinga ba ako, kumain ako. Kasi parehas, gutom ako at pagod ako. So, nag-book na ako. I use this app. It's called Zenia. Tapos, ayun, nag-book na ako. She's gonna be here in 13 minutes. Actually, guys, sakit yung lalamunan ko. And I don't know why. Masakit siya. But it hurts a lot. And I'm kind of scared about it kasi bakit siya masakit. Tapos, sinet up ko na din yung place kung saan ako magmamassage. Ayan siya, guys. Diyan ako magmamassage. Diyan ako magpapamasahe. Grabe. I am so tired. Pero gutom pa din ako. So, I might eat my waffle kasi hindi ko nakain yung waffle kanina. But, yeah. Bukas ko na lang kaya update about sa shoot kanina kasi I'm so tired. Grabe. Feeling ko bumabawi na. Binabawi na ngayon ng katawan ko yung pagod ko from the LU trip. Hey guys, Glorian here from the future. And you guys guessed it right. Hindi ako nakapag-update nung sinabi kong bukas. And today is like a month since or like a few weeks since. But yeah, the shoot was so fun. It was so smooth. We were able to get what we wanted for the song that the shoot was for. And speaking of the song, guys, if you haven't already, if you don't know yet, I sing. I'm a singer. I do sing, and I have already released a couple of songs. You guys can check it out on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and then there are a lot other streaming. This is getting dark. And there are like a lot other streaming platforms where you can stream my songs. So just search Glorian, that's Gloryen sa mga music platforms and stream my songs there. Yeah, about that, I am releasing another single in a couple of days from when this vlog is gonna be up. So, abangan nyo, and while waiting, go stream all my songs para naman dumami ang ating streams, diba? Help me out and let's be friends and let's support one another. Di ako sanay maganon, guys, pero kung trip nyo pakinggan yung mga kanta ko, stream nyo yung kanta ko, please. And if you haven't already, go follow me on all my social media accounts. Everything is at Glorian Limbo. That's Gloryen Limbo on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. What else? Diner Dash. Charot. No. Yeah, so I'm releasing another single in a few days. And I'm very excited to share that song with you kasi it's a huge part of me. I think it was an era and I still think I'm in that era. What the song's about. Ayun. Yeah, I'm very excited to share the song with you, and I hope you guys would appreciate it and also like it somehow. And if you're going through the same thing as I was or I am still, then pumunta kayo sa gigs ko tapos mag-inom tayo, right? I think that's a good idea. But anyway, I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!